Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, I just got off work. Here's where the sun's at. Got about an hour and a half to fish. It's not raining. It's been raining non-stop for like a week, but I am actually gonna get down to the water really quick. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I'm gonna get down to the water. I'm gonna see what I need to be throwing, and that's what I'm gonna throw. But I'm excited. I'm just excited to be out, honestly, and it's not raining, so wish me luck. Okay, so I was heading over to the main water, but I see bluegill right here congregating on the side. So that could mean that there's a bass eating on them. Could mean. I'm not saying it's definitely the case, but I'm just throwing what I had on, which is a fluke. Weightless fluke. But that's a good, it's a nice little search bait. Let's see if they're interested in it. Yes. Okay. Good. Done. There you go. Go from underneath, huh? Straight up came out of the weeds after it right there. He's gorgeous. That's one in his gullet. He or she. A fat little bass. Beautiful. There you go, buddy. Alright, y'all, that is it. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I enjoyed myself. Got to catch a bass, and we got to go fishing. Got to be outside, and the work week is over. So, all in all, I can't complain at all. But I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, all kidding aside. Make sure that you hit that like button if you like the video. Make sure that you comment if you have one, and make sure you subscribe, please. And when you subscribe, turn on the little bell notification at the bottom. I'd appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Should be able to get 2 more days of fishing in before the big 2019 Shangbang. I'm going to stop because that could get really bad. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Take care.